This is how you're going to use live chat Salesforce support. Accessing live chat support is done through the official Salesforce help portal. First thing that you're going to do, you're going to head to Salesforce help website, and then you're going to log in using your Salesforce credentials. Now you're going to navigate to the contact support page right here at the bottom. You can also just request a call right here where you can fill out all of the details that they need. So you're going to enter your first name, last name, and all of the details that they ask for, and then you can just click on contact me, wherein they are going to contact you instead of you contacting them. But another thing that you can do is that you can just head over to this box right here. This is a chat box wherein you can chat with an AI, or you can also ask the AI to actually connect you with a sales representative. You can do show me an Agentforce demo, and then you can also just ask how can Salesforce help with your business. But since we want to use the live chat Salesforce support, we're just going to click on connect with a sales representative, and then from there you can just message Agentforce right here what you want to ask them. So after that, it's going to connect you with a sales representative, and then that's it. If there are agents available at the moment, then you will be able to see, or you will be able to chat with a specialist. But since, as you can see, there are no agents available at the moment, someone will reach out to you as soon as possible. Now all you have to do is to wait for it, and then that's it. That is how you can use live chat Salesforce support. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.